You write 2 sine square x cos square x. Whenever this term will come, you write 2 sine square x cos square x. Okay. Whenever this term will come, already in trigonometric ratios we have discussed sine power 6x plus cos power 6x is there. Look at 1 minus 3 sine square x cos square x. Whenever these terms will come, you immediately replace by these 1 minus 3 sine square x cos square x. These two terms, right? Whenever, look at, in some cases you need to factorize. Look at, you need to factorize. This is 4, this is 6, regularly you will get. Suppose sine cube x plus cos cube x. This you will easily write. This is nothing but sin x plus cos x into a plus b into a square. This you will easily write. A square minus ab plus b square. This no need to remember, we will always write. This is nothing but sin x plus cos x into 1 minus sin x cos x. Look at, like this. Suppose some powers, look at, for all the remaining powers you use this formula. Look at x power n, look at x power n minus y to the power n. Look at x to the power n minus y to the power n is nothing but, this is the formula for this, x minus y into, look at, how to write here is x power n minus 1, 1 less than this one, x power n minus 1 plus x power n minus 2, decrease power by 1 into y power 1 plus x power n minus 3 into y square plus and so on. Lastly, y to the power n minus 1, y to the power n minus 1, like this. The factorization of this term is, whenever you will get like this, x power n minus y to the power n is nothing but x minus y into x power n minus 1, one shorter than this, right? So in the next step, decrease x power by 1 minus 1 and increase y power by 1. In the next step, decrease x power by 1 and increase y power by 2 and so on, y to the power n minus 1. Suppose other than this, higher powers will come. Look at, suppose if you want x power 5 minus y power 5. Suppose look at x power 5 minus y power 5. This is nothing but x minus y into x power 4 plus n minus 1 means x power 4. Decrease x by 1, x cube y. Next, decrease x by 1, x square, increase y by 1, x square, y square, decrease x by 1 and y increase by 1 plus x power 0, y to the power 4. So this is the formula for x power 5 minus y to the power 5. Suppose look at, in the problems, wherever you will get sine power 5x minus cos power 5x, let us say. Sine power 5x minus cos power 5x. Now this is x sum, this is y. X is sin x, y is cos x. Look at, in problems you will get this. I will derive and will give it to you. You substitute that. Or otherwise, do like this. Whenever you want to factorize, you have to use this procedure. This is nothing but sin power 4x, sin power 4x plus sin cube x, sin cube x, y means cos x, plus sin square x, cos square x. Look at sin square x, cos square x plus sin x, cos cube x plus cos power 4x. Just here x power 5 minus y to the power 5. Further simplifying, sin x minus cos x into, look at this one. This term and this term I am writing 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Right? So this term and this one is there plus this term plus sin square x cos square x. I am writing here sin square x cos square x. I am writing here. So then look at this term and this term is there. These two terms I am taking sin x cos x common from second term and fourth term. Look at sin x into cos x common. This you will get. This you will get sin square x plus cos square x. This. So now sin square x plus cos square x is what? 1. Finally, sin power 5x minus cos power 5x is nothing but you will get sin x minus cos x into look at here, this is 1, this is 1, look at plus sin x cos x, this one sin x cos x minus sin square x cos square x. Sin square x cos square x. This is the formula you have to use whenever sin power 5x minus cos power 5x will come. Use this rule. Sin x minus cos x into 1 plus sin x cos x minus sin square x cos square x. This is the formula you will get. Right? Now suppose sin power 5x plus cos power 5x. Look at sin power 5x plus cos power 5x. Suppose if you got this one, sin power 5x plus cos power 5x, this. So this can be written as sin power 5x minus cos x whole power 5. Minus cos x whole power 5. Right? That means look at here, x power 5. Suppose the formula is x power 5 plus y power 5. Whenever you will get, if you write like x power 5 minus of y to the power 5. Minus of y to the power 5. That means in this formula, replace y by minus y. In place of y minus y. X plus y into what you will get here, x power 4 you will get. Here x power 4, here minus x cube y. In place of y, you replace minus y, minus x cube y. So here plus x square y square plus x square y square minus xy cube plus y power 4. So x power 5 plus y power 5 is this one. Suppose if you are writing sine power 5x minus cos power 5x, right? In place of plus, so plus, in place of y you substitute. That means this formula is sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x into, look at sine power 4x minus sine cube x cos x plus sine square x cos square x. This is sine square x cos square x minus sin x into cos cube x plus cos power 4x plus cos power 4x. Now if you simplify this, if you simplify this, you will get, look at sin x plus cos x into, in the previous case, sin power 4x plus cos power 4x is what? 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x plus sin square x cos square x. Right? So here, from this term, minus terms are there. If you take minus common, then you will get the simplification like this. 1 minus sin x cos x. Look at this one I am writing. After taking common, from these two, minus sin x cos x, you take common, you will get 1. This one is what? This one plus this one, 1 minus 2 sin square x plus sin square x. That means minus, this is the formula for sin power 5x plus cos power 5x. This is the formula. Look at here, sin power 5x minus cos power 5x is nothing but this one, sin x minus cos x into 1 plus sin x cos x minus sin square x cos square x. Sin power 5x plus cos power 5x is nothing but sin x plus cos x into, here look at, here you will get minus 1 minus sin x cos x. This is same, minus sin square x cos square x. Difference is here minus will be there, here plus will be there. So difference is here plus will be there, here minus will be there. Whenever you will get these terms, immediately you must be able to write in the problem. Write in the problem. Usually we will get sin cube plus cos cube, then sin power 4 plus cos power 4, sin power 5 plus cos power 5, sin power 6 plus cos power 6. If you remember the formula, it will be easy. Otherwise, you use this factorization method and then simplify, no problem. If you are unable to remember, remember this one, x power n minus y power n. Look at how the problem will be. How the problems will be on this application, very miscellaneous problems. Look at, find one problem you will get. Find general solution of, sin power 4x plus cos power 4x equal to 7 by 2 sin x cos x. Look at this problem. Look at this problem. You have to find general solution. Look at sin power 4x cos power 4x is what? 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. This is nothing but 7 by 2 into sin x cos x summa. Right? Now I am taking sin x cos x equal to t. You can form a quadratic equation. Sin x into cos x equal to t. That means you will get the equation 1 minus 2 into this is sin x cos x whole square equal to 7 by 2 into t. 7 by 2 into t. Now this 2 multiply this side. 2 minus 4t square equal to 7t. That implies, bring this side completely, 4t square plus 7t minus 2 equal to 0. Now solve the value of t. So therefore t equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square 49 minus 4 into 2. That means plus 32 plus 32 divided by 2 into 4 8. So minus 7 plus or minus, this is root 81, that means 9 divided by 8. So you will get, if you take plus 9 minus 7 plus 9, 2 divided by 8, one value, and then minus 16 divided by 8, one value. That means you will get roots 1 by 2 comma minus 2. 1 by 2 comma minus 2. So therefore t value you got 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. T means what? T means sin x into cos x. T means sin x into cos x is nothing but 1 by 2 comma minus 2. Take first case. Sin x into cos x equal to 1 by 2. Sin x into cos x equal to 1 by 2. Oh, sorry, 1 by 4. Sorry, 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So this is sin x into cos x equal to 1 by 4. Now multiply with 2 such that you will get sin 2x. 2 sin x cos x is nothing but 1 by 2. Now this is sin 2x. Sin 2x is nothing but 1 by 2. Now you got like sin value equal to constant. This is nothing but, for writing general solution, you write sin pi by 6. Now this is a form sin theta. This is theta. Sin theta equal to sin alpha. Sin theta equal to sin alpha. What is the general solution? What is the general solution? Theta, that means 2x equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 6. Therefore, to bring this side, x equals to n pi divided by 2 minus 1 whole power n into pi by 6 into 2. That means pi by 12. This is one general solution. Second case, you take sin x cos x. You take sin x cos x equal to minus 2. Multiply with 2 on both sides. That means 2 sin x cos x equal to minus 4. That means sin 2x is nothing but, so sin 2x is nothing but minus 4. So as I actually sin 2x lies between, sin value always lies between, sin value always lies between minus 1 and 1. Therefore, as it is minus 4, never you will get sin 2x equal to minus 4. Therefore, no solution. Solution will be there only if it lies between minus 1 and 1. Sin will never get minus 4 value because it will always be between minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1. So therefore no solution. Therefore general solution is nothing but, this is the only solution. This is the general solution. Like that, you have to form a quadratic equation and then you have to solve the Solve t values, and then t value is nothing but this one. Multiply with 2 on both sides, then you will get sine 2x equal to constant. You convert it to the form sine theta equal to sine alpha, right? Next problem. Look at next problem. Look at the problem. Very important model. Miscellaneous model. Find number of solutions. Find number of solutions of equation is given like this. Sine power 5x minus cos power 5x equal to 1 by cos x minus 1 by sin x in 0 comma 3 pi. 0 comma 3 pi. All of you listen carefully. So look it. Now I have told the formula of sine power 5x minus cos power 5x. That formula is nothing but sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x into 1 plus, immediately you substitute the formula, that will be of great use. 1 plus sin x cos x, 1 plus sin x cos x minus, I have told the formula, no, I have derived. Whenever this term is there, you remember this one, that will save time. Otherwise, you have to factorize that one, right? So this is the one, 1 plus sin x cos x minus sin square x cos square x. This is nothing but, if you take the LCM here, LCM is sin x into cos x. Now you will get here sin x minus cos x, right? Sin x minus cos x. Look at how to approach to the problem. When you know the method, tough problem will become easy. Look at. Now, I am bringing this completely to the left hand side and taking sin x minus cos x common. Sin x minus cos x common I am taking. Look at what I will get here. This one I will get 1 plus sin x into cos x minus sin square x cos square x. This I have taken common now, minus 1 by equal to 0. Equal to 0. Right? This complete term is there. I have brought to the left hand side and then taken sin x minus cos x common. Here you will get this one, from here to here, minus 1 by sin x cos x equal to 0. Now first case. You will get sin x minus cos x equal to 0. Sin x minus cos x equal to 0. This is first case. Second case, you will get 1 plus sin x cos x minus, look at here, sin x cos x whole square minus 1 by sin x cos x equal to 0. That you will get. Now I am solving this one. Look at sin x equal to cos x. Sin x equal to cos x. Bring cos x this side. Tan x equal to 1. Now tan x equal to constant means that constant I am writing right tan alpha, tan pi by 4. So tan x equal to tan alpha, general solution is nothing but x equal to n pi plus pi by 4. N pi plus pi by 4. Now you have to find the solutions between what he has given 0 to 3 pi. 0 to 3 pi. That means 0 to 3 into 180. That means 540 degree. Now n equal to 0 you substitute. N equal to 0. X is pi by 4. This is one solution. That lies, this is 45 degree. N equal to 1 number. N equal to 1. You will get pi plus pi by 4. This is 180 plus 45, 225 degree. This is also one solution. Now n equal to 2, amma. N equal to 2. X is 2 pi plus pi by 4. This is 360 plus 45, 405 degree. This is also one solution. Now if you substitute n equal to 3, you will get 3 pi plus pi by 4. It is more than 3 pi. So this will not be there. So therefore, how many solutions are there? Here, solutions are 3. Here, how many solutions are there? 3 solutions are there. So for the first equation, this equation you got 3 solutions. Now look at how I am solving. Look at carefully. Take sin x cos x equal to t. Take sin x cos x equal to t. That implies this equation will become 1 plus t minus t square minus 1 by t equal to 0. Minus 1 by t equal to 0. Now take the LCM t. Take the LCM t plus t square minus t cube minus 1 equal to 0. This will reduce us to t plus t square minus, I am taking minus common and I am writing t cube plus 1 cube. I want to write a cube plus b cube. Now t into 1 plus t minus a cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A square minus ab plus b square. This, now out of this t plus 1 take common. T plus 1 take common. You will get here t minus of t square minus t plus 1 equal to 0. Now this will give rise to t plus 1 into t plus 1 into minus t square plus 2t minus 1 equal to 0. That implies t plus 1 into, here I am taking minus common, t square minus 2t plus 1 equal to 0. This is nothing but t minus 1 whole square. So you will get, that is t minus 1 whole square. This, so therefore you will get, what are the values you will get? T equal to 1 comma t equal to minus 1. If this is 0, you will get t equal to 1. If this is 0, you will get t equal to minus 1. Now, what is t value? First case, t equal to 1. T is what? Sin x cos x equal to 1. Sin x cos x equal to 1. T equal to 1 means sin x cos x equal to 1. Multiply with 2 on both sides. Equal to 2. You got sin 2x equal to 2. What you are getting sin value equal to 2. That is not possible because maximum value is what? 1 only. Therefore, no solution. Sin you will never get more than 1. It lies between -1 and 1 only. Here you got sin 2x equal to 2. 2 is not possible. For any sine function, you will get 1 only maximum value. Second case. Second case, sin x into cos x equal to -1. If you multiply with 2 on both sides, what you will get? Sin 2x equal to -2. Now again you are getting sin as -2, but minimum value is what? -1. Sin 2x will always lie between -1 and 1. Therefore, no solution. Therefore, no solution. That means in this second case, you have not found any solution. Therefore, how many solutions are there? Therefore, solutions are here. Therefore, solutions of the given equation. Therefore, solutions are x equals to here pi by 4, pi plus pi by 4, that means 5 pi by 4, comma 3 pi plus pi by 2 pi plus pi by 4, 9 pi by 4. He is asking number of solutions. Therefore, number of solutions means how many? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the answer. Solutions are these 3. Number of solutions means 3. Like that, whenever sine power 5x minus cos power 5x is there, write the formula. Whenever sine power 5x plus cos power 5x is there, write the formula. After that, you will get in sin x cos x equation, take that equal to t and solve. You will get the values. Here you got cubic equation. Here I have clubbed a cube plus b cube. If not, do the synthetic division and then find the values of t. So like that, these models are very important for IIT point of view. First step, if you write, you will get clarity. Look at next models. Look at next model is, look at, whenever cosecant A into cosecant B, whenever cosecant A into cosecant B term is there, you write like this: cot B minus cot A divided by sine of A minus B. Look at, whenever product of two cosecants are there, you take one angle as A and one angle as B. This term write it as cot B minus cot A divided by sine of A minus B. Look at how. What we will do is, look at, this is nothing but 1 by sine A into sine B. 1 by sine A into sine B. So here two angles are there. I am multiplying and dividing with, what you have to do is multiply and divide with sine of difference of angles. That means I am multiplying and dividing with sine of A minus B. Sine of A minus B. Okay. Sine of A minus B. If we multiply like that, look at this is 1 by sine of A minus B. Now sine of A minus B is nothing but sine A cos B minus cos A sine B divided by sine A sine B. Now look at split this one. Here you will get sine A cos B divided by sine A sine B. Sine A will get cancelled. That means this you will get cot B. This divided by this sine B will get cancelled. This is nothing but cot A divided by sine of A minus B. Number of times you will get cosecant A into cosecant B is nothing but cot B minus cot A divided by sine of A minus B. The procedure is, if you don't remember the formula, you multiply and divide with sine of A minus B. Sine of difference of angles, multiply and divide, then you will get this one. Better you remember this formula. Number of times you will get. In lot of chapters you will get. Suppose take one problem. Take one problem. This is also very important and miscellaneous model. 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. 0 less than theta less than, for 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. The solutions of the equation look at, I am giving sigma m equal to 1 to m equal to 1 to 6. Cosecant theta plus m pi by 4. Theta plus m pi by 4. Cosecant theta plus m minus 1 pi by 4 equal to 4 root 2 is. The solutions of this equation is number 1. Options given. Look at pi by 4, B pi by 6, C pi by 12, D 5 pi by 12. 5 pi by 12. Now look at cosecant of one angle into cosecant of another angle. Cosecant of one angle into cosecant of another angle. Now let us take angle A. Angle A equal to theta plus, look at this one. I am taking this as angle A and angle B as theta plus m minus 1 into pi by 4. Right? Now our problem will become, our problem is nothing but sigma. M equal to 1 to 6 cosecant A into cosecant B equal to 4 root 2. Right? This I have taken it as A, this I have taken it as B. Now I can use the formula I have derived. Cot B minus cot A. Look at, I am writing. Implies sigma m equal to 1 to 6 cot B Cot of B means what? This angle. Theta plus m minus 1 pi by 4 minus cot A, this angle. Look at very easy. M pi by 4 divided by what you have to write in the numerator? Sine of A minus B. Look at here, I will calculate A minus B. Here I am calculating A minus B. A minus B is what? Look at, I am calculating theta plus m pi by 4 minus of, look at this one, theta plus, this is m pi by 4 minus pi by 4, pi by 4. Look at here, this theta will get cancelled. M pi by 4, m pi by 4 will get cancelled. What you will get? Pi by 4. A minus B is what? Pi by 4. That means I have written cot B, cot B minus cot A divided by sine of A minus B. Sine of A minus B means what? Pi by 4. This is nothing but given 4 root 2. Just in the equation AB taken, right? Cosecant A into cosecant B is nothing but cot B minus cot A divided by sine of A minus B is nothing but sine pi by 4. What is sine pi by 4? 1 by root 2. Sine pi by 4 is nothing but 1 by root 2. That means in the denominator, you write 1 by root 2. Then you will get root 2 to the numerator. That means sigma, our equation will become, observe carefully, cot theta plus m minus 1 pi by 4 minus cot theta plus m pi by 4, this, so root 2 will come here, equal to 4 root 2. This root 2 will get cancelled. Right? Look at here. This is 1 by root 2. Root 2 will come up. So root 2 will get cancelled. Now expand sigma. So expand means this is nothing but sum of nothing is there. Substitute m equal to 1 first. In both m equal to 1. Expanding sigma is sum of 6 terms. That means first term is cot theta. M equal to 1 minus this. This will become 0 minus cot, substitute m equal to 1. M equal to 1 means what you will get? Theta plus pi by 4. Theta plus pi by 4. This is for m equal to 1. M equal to 1 plus, next m equal to 2. M equal to 2 means if you substitute 2, what you will get? Theta plus pi by 4 minus cot, if you substitute 2, you will get this. So this is for m equal to 2. Just m equal to 1, m equal to 2, then m equal to 3. M equal to 3 means cot theta plus. So m equal to 3 means here 2 pi by 4 minus cot theta plus 3 pi by 4. This is what m equal to 3. Like that, you will get. Like that, yeah, lastly m equal to 6. Lastly, m equal to, I will write, look at, no problem. No need to confuse. M equal to 3, next m equal to 4. M equal to 4 means 3 pi by 4 minus cot theta plus 4 pi by 4. This is what m equal to 4. Sigma means just nothing is there. M equal to 1 plus m equal to 2 plus m equal to 3 plus m equal to 4 and m equal to 5. M equal to 5 means here 4 pi by 4 minus cot. So m equal to 5 means theta plus 5 substitute this plus Lastly, m equal to 6, m equal to 5, m equal to 6 sum. Cot theta plus pi by 4 minus cot theta plus 6 pi by 4. This is nothing but 4. This is nothing but 4. Just sigma is nothing but m equal to 1 plus m equal to 2 plus m equal to 3 plus m equal to 4 plus m equal to 5 plus m equal to 6. Sigma is nothing is there like that. Now if you look at here, look at this term and this term is getting cancelled. Everything will get cancelled. This is cot theta plus 2 pi by 4, cot theta plus 2 pi by 4, cot theta plus 3 pi by 4, theta plus 3 pi by 4, theta plus 4 pi by 4, 4 pi by 4, theta plus pi pi by 4, theta plus pi pi by 4. Always for these type of problems, first term and the last term will be remaining. Everything will get cancelled. Look at the problem. Everything will get cancelled. Now, what are the remaining terms? If you look at cot theta minus, look at here, 2 3's, 2 2's minus cot theta plus 3 pi by 2 equal to 4. Theta plus 3 pi by 2 equals to 4. Now, this is 270 degree plus theta. Cot of 270 plus theta, it will convert into tan theta. 270 plus theta is fourth quadrant, it will be negative. So this is nothing but cot theta plus tan theta equal to 4. Look at our just bigger sigma value, it is becoming a simple trigonometric equation. Now from here you know how to solve the problem. Right? That sigma equal to 4 root 2 is nothing but this is the one. We have simplified that equation to this form. Now how to do this one? Trigonometric equation. Right? When cos and tan is there, no option. Right? Cos by sine plus sine by cos equal to 4m. Right? So we will take the LCM. Take the LCM. Sin theta, cos theta. Now this is cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 1. So 4, that implies sin theta cos theta is nothing but 1 by 4. Sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta is what? 1 by 4. Now multiply with 2 on both sides. 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but, if you multiply with 2, you will get 1 by 2. Now I got the equation I required. Sin 2 theta is nothing but 1 by 2. Now this I will write sin pi by 6. Now this is of form sin theta equal to sin alpha. What is the general solution? General solution is theta equals, what is the formula for sin? N pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha pi by 6. Now calculate the value of theta. Theta equals to n pi by 2 plus bring to this side pi by 12. Pi by 12. Now he is asking the solutions in 0 to pi by 2. That means 0 to 90 degree. 0 to 90 degree. N equal to 0. N equal to 0, you substitute. Theta equals to, this is 0 plus minus 1 whole power 0 is 1. Pi by 12. Pi by 12 means 15 degree. So this is one solution. So that is given in option C. That is given in option C. It is multi-correct answer. Now n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means theta equal to pi by 2 plus minus 1 whole power n 1 into pi by 12. That means this is nothing but pi by 12 minus pi by 12. So pi by 2 minus pi by 12. So now take the LCM 12. So take the LCM 12, you will get 6 pi minus pi. This is 5 pi by 12. This is 75 degree. This is given as D. This is given as D. So options are, this is also one solution. This will also lie between 0 and 90. Next you won't get. If you substitute n equal to 2, what you will get? Pi plus pi by 12, that is 180 plus 15. It will exceed 0 to pi by 2. Like that. So the main thing is, whenever cosecant A into cosecant B is there, you remember the formula cot B minus cot A divided by sine of A minus B, right? That, and then sigma, first m equal to 1, m equal to, and so on till last. Everything will get cancelled except this first one and last one, like that, this model. Just finally, after getting this one, you will get the answer. But till here, you have to simplify. Like that, IIT problems will be. Lot of logic will be there. So these models. We'll go to the next model. Okay, next model. Look at next model is equations of form A sin x plus B cos x equal to C. Look at equations of the form A sin x plus B cos x equal to C. What we will do is, already I told in extreme values, whenever this type of expression is there, you have to multiply. Take this one and multiply and divide with root of A square plus B square, like this. I have already told. In this chapter, you will get more applications on this. Plus B divided by root of A square plus B square into cos x. You take this expression and then multiply and divide with root of A square plus B square. Suppose example. Find the general solution of problem I am giving is, find the general solution of, look at the problem, root 3 cos x, plus sin x equal to 1. Root 3 cos x plus sin x equal to 1. Now look at here. This is A sin x plus B cos x. The term is there. Whenever the term is involved, take A equal to sin x before 1. B equal to root 3. Find root of A square plus B square. Follow carefully. Root of A square plus B square is nothing but 1 plus 3, that is 2. 1 plus 3, that is 2. Now left hand side expression is there. Take that and multiply and divide by 2. Look at, I am multiplying and dividing left hand side of the equation with cos x plus 1 by 2 sin x equal to, this one will be just this side multiplied and divided. Now look at, I want to write this cos of A minus B. So this is cos x is there. What is cos of this angle? Cos of pi by 6. When cos is there, write cos. Here cos is there, write cos. Such that I want to write cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So this is sin pi by 6 sin x equal to 1. Now look at here. This is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. What is that one? Cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B is nothing but 1. Now look at, this is in our required form. Cos of x minus pi by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. Cos of x minus, now you got cos value equal to constant. Now what you have to write is cos alpha. Cos alpha means cos pi by 3. When constant is there, you write cos alpha. Now this is theta, cos theta equal to cos alpha. What is the general solution? Theta equals to, theta means pi by 6 equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Plus or minus alpha is what? Pi by 3. Now you look at here, first one, you take plus. First case, you take plus sum, pi by 3. Pi by 3. Now calculate x value. X value is nothing but 2n pi plus pi by 3 plus pi by 6. So this is nothing but 2n pi plus pi by 3 plus pi by 6, 90. That means pi by 2. Now second case you take minus. Second case you take minus. X minus pi by 6 equal to 2n pi minus pi by 3. Minus pi by 3. Right? So therefore you bring that side, x equal to 2n pi minus pi by 3 plus pi by 6. This is minus 60 plus 30. That means you will get minus 30 minus pi by 6. Now this is one general solution and this is another general solution. Therefore, general solution is nothing but x equals to this union this. 2n pi plus pi by 2 union 2n pi minus pi by 6 where n is integer. This indicates that this is solution as well as this is solution. These both are the solutions, right? So like that, whenever a sin x plus b cos x is there, immediately find root of a square plus b square and then multiply and divide. This you convert, I want to convert into cos of a minus b. That's why cos x here, cos A is there, cos B I have written pi by 6, sin A is there, sin B I have written, this angle is sin pi by 6. Now this will become cos of A minus B, like that. So now cos equal to 1 by 2, this is cos pi by, now required formula is cos theta equal to cos alpha. Theta is nothing but 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Plus you take and you will get x. Minus you take and you will get x. Union of both will be your general solution. Like that, this model. Now look at some application. In the problem, this is direct application, multiplying and dividing direct application. Indirect application we will see how the problem will be asked in IIT on this concept. If you follow by the logic, it will be very, very easy. If you keep on seeing the books and get scared, then it will be difficult. Look at look at look at one application. The number of solutions. The number of solutions of equation is given root 3 cosecant x plus secant x plus 2 into tan x minus cot x equal to 0. Minus cot x equal to 0 in, look at, in the interval minus pi comma pi is dash. Look at this problem, right? So this is the equation given now, right? So look at, if you look at the equation, cosecant x is there, secant x is there, tan x is there, cot x is there. No option. You have to convert into sine and cos. First step is convert into sine and cos. Root 3 by sine x plus 1 by cos x plus 2 into sine by cos minus cos by sine equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now here you take these two terms LCM. Sin x cos x is the LCM. So numerator you will get root 3 cos x plus this is sin x plus 2 into, here also cos x sin x is the LCM. Follow carefully this. So now cos x is there here, multiply sin x, that means here you will get sin square x minus, here you will get cos square x equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now common LCM is sin x into cos x. Common LCM is what? For both sin x into cos x. So you can sum the numerators. That means you are getting root 3 cos x plus sin x. Now look at here. Here plus 2 into, if you take minus common, that is nothing but minus cos 2x equal to, bring cos x into sin x to that side. Cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. Therefore, this is minus cos 2x. Now look at here. Root 3 cos x plus sin x equals to 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x. Now look at our term here. Root 3 cos x plus sin x is there. Multiply and divide with root of a square plus b square. A equal to 1, b equal to root 3. Root of a square plus b square is nothing but 2. Root 4, that is 2. Multiply and divide. Root 3 by 2 cos x plus 1 by 2 sin x equal to 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x. This 2 will get cancelled, right? Now, here this is cos x. This is cos pi by 6. Cos x plus sin pi by 6 sin x, right? So this is nothing but cos of 2x. Now I want to write this as cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That means cos of x minus pi by 6 equal to cos 2x. Cos 2x. Now look at, I am writing bigger one on the left hand side. You can take anything. 2x is there that I am writing on the left hand side. You can take anything. You can do it like this also, no problem. Now this is cos theta. This is in your required form. Cos theta equal to cos alpha. Cos theta equal to cos alpha. General solution is first general solution. General solution is theta equals to 2n pi plus or minus alpha x minus pi by 6. Now first case is plus. First case 2x equals to 2n pi plus x minus pi by 6. X bring this side, therefore x equals to 2n pi minus pi by 6. 2n pi minus pi by 6, given that x lies between minus pi and pi. X lies between minus pi and pi. Now n equal to 0. N equal to 0 means x equal to minus pi by 6. So this is nothing but minus 30 degree. It lies between minus 180 degree to 180 degree. This is one solution. Now if you substitute n equal to 1, now if you substitute n equal to 1, look at n equal to 1, if you substitute, you will get x equals to 2 pi minus pi by 6. This is 360 degree minus 30 degree. 330 degree, it won't lie between minus 180 to 180. Therefore, only one solution, that is x equal to minus pi by 6. So for this equation, if you take plus here, you will get only one solution. Now let us take minus. Let us take minus. Here I am writing. Now second case, 2x equal to here minus 2n pi minus if you take minus of this. Now this minus x bring this side, that means 3x equal to 2n pi plus pi by 6. Now this 3 bring this side and calculate x. What you will get? X equals to 2n pi by 3 plus pi by 18. Pi by 18. 6 into 3 means what? 18. Now you have to calculate between minus pi to pi. Given that minus pi to pi, substitute n equal to 0. N equal to 0. X equals to, look at here, n equal to 0 means this is 0. This is pi by 18. Pi by 18 means how much? 180 degree divided by 18. That means 10 degree. This is one solution. This is one solution that is lying between minus 180 degree to 180 degree. Now n equal to 1. n equal to 1 means here you will get 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 18. That means this is 2 into 60 120 degree plus pi by 18 means 10 degree. This is nothing but 130 degree. Is it lying between minus 180 to 180? Yes, this is also one solution. Now suppose next n equal to minus 1. N equal to minus 1 means you will get here minus 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 18. That means minus 120 degree plus 10 degree. That means this is nothing but minus 110 degree. This will lie between minus 180 to 180. So this is another solution. Now if you take n equal to 2, n equal to 2 if you take, you will get or not check. X equals to 4 pi by 3 plus pi by 18. 4 pi by 3 means how much? 4 into 60. 240 degree plus 10 degree. 240 plus 10 means 250 degree. From here you won't get anything. Therefore, how many values you got? In the previous case, one solution minus pi by 6, comma. Here in this case, 10 degree. No problem. Number of solutions you want. 130 degree. Next, minus 120, minus 110 degree. Therefore, in the question he is asking not values, number of solutions. Number of solutions is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means only 4. 4 solutions are there. Same application, same application. A sin x plus b cos x. Multiply and divide with root of a square plus b square. Then it is brought to the form cos theta equal to cos alpha. From there you can write theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, and then next n equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on, like that. This step getting clarity is important. After that, from here you can easily write theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. We will go to the next concept. So, before going to the next concept, in extreme values I told to you, maximum and minimum values. Sin x is there. Sin x always lies between minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 less than or equal to sin x, less than or equal to 1. That is about sin x. Sin square x is there, that always lies between 0 and 1. 0 less than or equal to sin square x, less than or equal to 1. Right? Next, cos x, minus 1 less than or equal to cos x, less than or equal to 1. Next, cos square x, 0 less than or equal to cos square x, less than or equal to 1. It lies between 0 and 1. Next is secant x. Secant x will be less than or equal to minus 1, or secant x will be greater than or equal to 1. It will not lie between minus 1 and 1. That is next one. Next is secant square x. Secant square x always greater than or equal to 1. Right? Next, cosecant x. Cosecant x will be less than or equal to minus 1 or greater than or equal to 1. It will not lie between minus 1 and 1. Next is cosecant square x. Cosecant square x is always greater than or equal to 1. Next, tan x. Tan x lies between minus infinity to infinity. Tan square x greater than or equal to 0 always. Similarly, cot x, it lies between minus infinity to infinity. Cot square x is greater than or equal to 0. X in extreme values I told. Now we are going to get those. And also I told about a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Minimum value is c minus root of a square plus b square. Maximum value is c minus c plus root of a square plus b square. Okay, now those are the extreme values. Look at that. The question is here. He will ask like this. These models. Find the set of all values of a. All values of a for which the following equations will have at least one solution. At least one solution means minimum one solution. Minimum one solution. Look at here. Suppose question is given like this. Sin x equal to a minus 1 by 2. This is given like this. Now he is asking what are the values of a such that this equation will have solution, right? So when it will have solution, if this side constant is there, that must always lie between minus 1 and 1. Suppose here, look at, suppose I have substituted a equal to 1. What is that? This will become 0. 0 is nothing but between minus 1 and 1. You will have solution. It is possible. Next, suppose sin x equal to 2. I have substituted a equal to 2. 2 means what? 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So you will get solution sin x equal to 1 by 2 is possible. Suppose if I have substituted a equal to 5. A equal to 5 means 5 minus 1 divided by 2. What you will get? 2. Sin x equal to 2. Whether you will get solution? No solution. Not possible. Like that, those values of a for which this will have solution means you know that sin x must always lies between minus 1 and 1. Sin x must always lie between minus 1 and 1. That means you substitute the value of sin x here. A minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1. Sin x must lie between minus 1 and 1. Sin x is what? A minus 1 by 2. Right? 2 cross multiply. Minus 2 less than or equal to 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 1, 2. Now add 1 to the inequality. Completely add 1 such that here a you will get minus 2 plus 1. A minus 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1. That means this is minus 1 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 3. That means a must lie between. So therefore answer is a must lie in the interval minus 1 to 3. That means a must be in the interval minus 1 to 3. In these values you substitute any value. You will get between minus 1 and minus 1 to 1 only. Suppose a equal 0, look at in between it is there. 0 minus 1 by 2. What you will get? Minus 1 by 2. That is possible. Outside value substitute. Suppose 4 substitute. 4 minus 1 by 2. This is what? 3 by 2. That means that is greater than 1. 3 by 2 means what? 1.5. You will not get any solution. You will not get any solution. So like this, if he has given, this is sin x. Use this one. Sin x lies between minus 1 and 1. And then in place of sin x, you substitute a minus 1 by 2. Like that. Suppose second one. Suppose given like this, cos square x equals to 1 minus a divided by 3. This is given, right? Cos square x is given 1 minus a by 3. You have to find the values of a for which this equation will have solution. That means cos square x, you know, always it must lie between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. That means in place of cos square x, you substitute 1 minus a by 2. So multiply 2. That means 0 less than or equal to 1 minus a less than or equal to 2 into 1 is what? 2. Okay. So now I am subtracting minus 1. 1 minus a minus 1 less than or equal to 2 minus 1. That means this is minus 1. 1 cancel, minus a less than or equal to 1. Now look at, I am multiplying with minus 1. If you are multiplying with minus number, inequality will be interchanged. This will become 1 greater than or equal to a greater than or equal to minus 1. When you multiply with positive number, same inequality will be there. If we multiply with negative number, inequality will be interchanged. Less than will become greater than. Greater than will become less than. Now look at here. 1 greater than or equal to a, greater than or equal to 1. Right from this side. That implies, right from this side, minus 1. This side means less than or equal to a, less than or equal to 1. Therefore, a must lie in the interval minus 1 to 1. A must lie in the interval minus 1 to 1, like that. Right? Here he has given cos square x value directly. This is direct. Sin x given, cos square x is given. So that's why we have written between 0 and 1. Here we have written between minus 1 and 1. In some problems, he will not give directly. You have to calculate what is sin x value, what is cos x value. After calculating, you put it between minus 1 to 1. Right? Look at one problem where directly he will not give like this. You have to calculate. Suppose, look at one problem. Look at one problem. Given the equation is a sin x plus cos 2x. Cos 2x equals to 2a minus 7. Look at one problem. You have to find values of a such that this equation will have solution. Now, we will form a quadratic equation in sin x, because you can write this as 1 minus 2 sin square x. Look at it. Plus so this is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x in terms of sin x. Because sin x is there, you can form quadratic equation. All the terms bring to that side. That means 2 sin square x. Look at here. Bring to that side 2 sin square x. Next, the sin x term minus a sin x. Next, this one that side 2a minus 7 minus 1. So this is the one. Now I have formed a quadratic equation in sin x. Quadratic equation in sin x. Now I want to solve this equation. Sin x equal to minus b plus or minus b. Here a is 2 in the quadratic equation. B is minus a. C is 2a minus 8. Minus b, minus of b is minus a plus or minus root of b square. A square minus a whole square, or otherwise write like that. Minus a whole square. B square minus 4 into 2 into 2a minus 8 divided by 2 into 2. I am calculating what is sin x value by using quadratic formula. This is a plus or minus root of, look at here, this is what a square, this is what a square minus 8 into 2a, that means 16a, 16a minus 8 into minus 8, 64 divided by 4. So look at here, if you look at here, this is nothing but perfect square, a minus 8 whole square, that means root of, this is nothing but inside root 1, a minus 8 whole square divided by 4. Divided by 4. Now if you look at sin x, what you will get? A plus or minus, root will get cancelled. A minus 8 divided by 4. That means if you take plus, you will get a plus a minus 8 by 4 comma a minus of a minus 8 by 4, right? So if you take first one, sin x equals to first one, sin x equal to, this is nothing but 2a minus 8 divided by 4. So sin x value you got, sin x value you got. So sin x value you got means for having solution, sin x must lie between minus 1 to 1, right? Minus 1 less than or equal to 1. Multiply with 2. So that implies minus 2 less than or equal to 2. So add 4, minus 2 plus 4 less than or equal to a minus 4 plus 4, 2 plus 4. That means you will get 2 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 6. So therefore a will lie in the interval 2 comma 6. A will lie in the interval close to 2 comma 6. Right? If you take second case, second case, this is the one, minus 1. Sin x equal to 8 divided by 4, 2, not possible. Not possible. That's why if you get solution here, only you will get solution. That means this value must be definitely lying between minus 1 and 1, such that in this case you will get a solution. So answer is what? A belongs to 2 comma 6. A belongs to 2 comma 6 is the answer. Like that, from the given problem, you have to calculate what is sin x value here. In the previous example, I have given it directly. That's why easy. So from the given equation, you have to calculate, and for having solution, sin x must lie between minus 1 and 1. Look at one more model. Look at next model. Sin power 4x plus cos power 4x plus sin 2x plus a equal to 0. Find values. Question is Find values of A for which the equation will have a solution. That means you have to find the values of A such that it possesses at least one solution. Look at. So this problem can be done like this: sine power 4x plus cos power 4x. I told sine power 4x plus cos power 4x is nothing but, I told the formula 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x plus sine 2x plus a equal to 0. Now look at here. What I am doing is I am multiplying and dividing by 2. That means I am multiplying and dividing by 2. That means I am writing you here you will get 4 sine square x cos square x 2 sine x cos x whole square. Look at here. I am multiplying and dividing 2 means you will get 4 sine square x cos square x. That can be written as 2 sine x cos x whole square. Sine 2x plus a equal to 0. Now what I am getting here 1 minus half. This is sine square 2x. Sine 2x whole square plus sine 2x plus a equal to 0. Now if you look at here, you will get minus half sine square 2x plus sine 2x plus a equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation sine 2x, right? I want to solve sine 2x, right? Minus b plus or minus. So therefore sine 2x equals to, right, minus b plus or minus formula. Now sine 2x is nothing but a is minus 1 by 2, b is 1, c is a, minus b plus or minus root of b square, that means 1 square minus 4 into a means minus 1 by 2, a means minus 1 by 2 into a, c means a divided by 2 into minus 1 by 2. So you will get the value. So 2 cancel, sine 2x equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 2 ones, 2 twos. Wait. Here a plus 1. A plus 1. Look at here a plus 1. Wait. Constant is there. I will write again. Look at sine 2x equal to, here 1 is there constant, right? Minus b means minus 1 plus or minus root of b square, 1 minus 4 into a means minus 1 by 2 into a plus 1 divided by 2a, 2 into minus 1 by 2. That means you will get minus 1 plus or minus root of, so this is 2 ones, 2 twos, right? You will get 1 plus 2a minus into minus plus 2a plus 2. 2a plus 2 divided by minus 1. So if you calculate the values, minus 1 minus root of 2a plus 3 divided by minus 1 minus 1 plus root of 2a plus 3 divided by minus 1. That means first case. This if you take minus will get cancelled. 1 plus root of 2a plus 3. First case you take 1 plus root of 2a plus 3 means this is 1 plus positive value. This is greater than 1. This is greater than 1 means not possible. This is greater than 1 means this is positive quantity. That means 1 plus positive quantity is what? Greater than 1. So not possible solution here. Now take the second one. Now look at the second one. Sine 2x equal to, take minus common, 1 minus root of 2a plus 3. Look at minus 1 divided by minus 1 is 1. This divided by minus 1 is what? Minus. Now this is sine 2x. This must lie between minus 1 and 1. Sin x must lie between minus 1 and 1. That means minus 1 less than or equals to 2a plus 3 less than or equal to 1. Subtract minus 1 completely. Minus 1 minus 1. Subtract minus 1. 1 minus 1. This is minus 2 less than or equals to 1 minus 1 cancel. Minus root of 2a plus 3 less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. Now I am multiplying with minus 1 completely. I am multiplying with minus 1 such that it will become positive. Now what you try? 2 greater than or equals to. If you are multiplying with minus, change the inequality. 2 greater than or equals to root of 2a plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Now I am writing from that side 0 less than or equals to root of 2a plus 3 less than or equal to 4. Just this only I have written from this side. Now squaring, that means this is 2. Squaring means I will get 2a plus 3 less than or equal to 4. Now they add minus 3. 4 minus 3. That means what you will get? This 3 will get cancelled. Minus 3 less than or equal to 2a less than or equals to 1. Now divide by 2. Divide by 2 means minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. This is 2a by 2. Divide by 2. You want a. 1 by 2. That means minus 3 by 2 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 1 by 2. That means a must lie in the interval minus 3 by 2 to 1 by 2. That is the answer. Just nothing is there. After calculating sine 2x, this is greater than 1 and another one is what? This one. So this value must lie between minus 1 and 1. After that you have to solve the a values. So like that these models are, you have to form a quadratic equation and then find sin x value, cos x value like that and then keep it between minus 1 and 1, these models. Okay, Namma, today I will send assignment on